Hey there! In today's video, I'll show you how to get from LAX to downtown LA and beyond using the Flyaway Bus. This guide will be the same no matter what terminal you're leaving from, but I recommend if you have time and are close to Terminal 1 to walk to board here because it's the start of the route and you'll have a very good chance of getting a preferred seat, or during busy times, a seat at all. While we walk to the Flyaway's designated pickup area indicated by a blue pillar, let's take a deeper dive on this service. The Flyaway Bus is a service run by Los Angeles World Airports. There are currently only two routes served by the Flyaway, one to Van Nuys in the San Fernando Valley, and the one we'll be taking to Union Station in downtown LA. The bus to Union Station runs every 30 minutes and will pick up from every terminal unless it's full. Terminal 1 is where the buses will wait until their scheduled departure time, so you may have to wait for the driver to open the door. To pay the one-way fare of $12.75, you'll have multiple options. The bus takes Visa or MasterCard contactless payments and Apple or Google Pay. You can also purchase a ticket ahead of time using their app or on their website. The Flyaway buses are large Volvo-built coach buses with large baggage storage. Each bus has their destination plastered all over the exterior and interior, so there'll be no question on where you'll end up. We were traveling light, but if you have anything bigger than a backpack, you can store it in the luggage compartment with the help of the driver. The seats are very comfortable and more than adequate for the 40-minute to 1-hour journey to downtown LA. The legroom is also pretty decent for someone like me who is 6'4". There are electrical outlets at each seat and overhead reading lights above. The TV screens have been repurposed to glorified paper holders to really hit home where this bus is going. There are also some pull-down sunshades in case you're still on a different time zone. The bus departs right on time and heads to pick up other passengers at each terminal. Luckily, buses have a dedicated pickup lane, so this only takes about 15 minutes. We turn down Sepulveda Boulevard and under the runways to join the 105 freeway. A major bonus of taking the Flyaway is it utilizes the carpool and toll lanes to fly by traffic. Fun fact, this overpass we were on is the filming location of the opening dance scene in La La Land with a view of downtown LA in the background. If you have the option, sit on the right side of the bus for more of these types of views. We pass by some other local landmarks such as the abandoned graffiti towers and the arena where the Lakers play. Before we know it, we're pulling into the Patsaurus Bus Plaza at Union Station. This is the one and only stop for this bus before it turns around and goes back to LAX. To see how that journey is, check out my video here. Once you're off the bus and have collected your luggage, head down this long ramp to access the different connection options here, which include Amtrak regional and long-distance services, Metrolink commuter rail, LA Metro rail and bus service, and long-distance buses. There's also a passenger pickup area or rideshare pickup available. There's ample signage and plenty of staff on hand to answer any questions. Also, I have a ton of videos going in and out of Union Station and more on the way. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It really helps me out. The Flyaway Bus is a great way to get to or from LAX and leave the crazy airport driving to someone else. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'm off to catch a train.